Oamai oi. That means how are you in Samoan. The oi is the pronoun that means you. The pronoun exercise in the Samoan Monopoly game uses this phrase for you to practice pronouns. All you have to do is change the pronoun. Oamai, that's going to stay the same. So oamai oi is how are you? But if you're talking to two people, you're going to ask, how are you two? Or how are the both of you? Oamai olua. If you're talking to three or more people, you're going to ask, how are you all? Oamai oto. Or Oamayoko. So that's three ways to say you depending on how many people you're talking to. Oe, Olua, and Oto. Or Oko if you're going to say it in the case style. If you're talking about them or the both of them, you're talking about two people. So Oamai ila ua, two people. If it's three or more people, Oamai ila to. Or the case style, Oamai ilako. Ila ua, ila to, ila ko. And if you want to say how is she or how is he, Oamai oia. Try it out. It's a phrase you can practice every day to master your Samoan pronouns.